Little Learner Lab.
Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn today?
Yay! Learning is fun. Let's try together.
I'm ready. I can do it. Oops.
That's okay, Leo. We learn by trying. I found something cool. A, B, C.
Well done, Pip. Letters help us read and grow.
Let's say it together.
A, B, C.
I did it! Learning is awesome!
Yes, it is. When we help each other.
Great job, little learners!
See you next time.